If you've never used ClickUp before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how ClickUp works, how to organize your team, assign work, track progress, and manage projects from one place. If you want to try ClickUp, use the link in the description. It takes you to the official website, where you can get started completely free without a credit card. It also helps support the channel and gives you access to the same setup I'll walk you through in this video. What is ClickUp? Think of ClickUp like your company's digital office. So instead of having WhatsApp, Notes, Google Docs, Excel, or sticky notes, everything lives inside ClickUp. How ClickUp works? ClickUp is basically a giant filing cabinet. There's a workspace, then separate spaces for your team, then folders that contain lists, and inside those lists, you have tasks, subtasks, and checklists. The workspace is your company. So for me, it's Shax Media. Then we have a marketing team, a sales team, HR, finance, and a video team. Within a space, we have separate folders for larger projects. For example, the video team has folders like Client A or Client B. Within those folders, we have lists like videos to make, videos editing, videos published, or something like January content, February content, March content. Then we have individual videos as tasks like how to use ClickUp, how to use Zoho CRM, or how to process payroll on ADP. Within every task, we have subtasks like write video script, record screen, do a voiceover, edit video, design a thumbnail, and upload. Inside every task, we can also create a checklist like remove mistakes, add captions, add music, or export in higher quality. Collaborations. Once you have your workspace created, you can invite your team members with their emails and assign them different roles. Views. You have multiple views to see a project. It could be a list, board, calendar, Gantt, table, and many more. Automation. You can also create automations. For example, when a task status becomes done, it can automatically assign it to a manager, move it to a completed list, or notify someone. That's all for ClickUp. If you got any questions, do let me know in the comments below, and use my sign-up link in the description.